Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a start point on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the routes icon next to the home button at the lower bar on the page. And here go to the filters section at the upper side of the screen. Go to the start from section, and here you can find three options: the anywhere, the public transport, or a car park. And if you want to select one, for example the car park, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be green, this function will be enabled and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.